Last week, when we started our tip series to recruiting top tech talent, we spoke about investing in technology. And this week, we touch on establishing your presence in the tech scene. There are many cities and areas around the world with thriving tech scenes, where both tech companies and top tech talent congregate. These areas also tend to have an ongoing calendar of conferences, workshops, and social events that people who are passionate about all things tech will regularly attend. And today, with the world going virtual, you will have more opportunities for joining global tech conversations online. If you want to be attracted to tech pros as a prospective employer, you need to establish a presence in the scene, regardless of if you are looking to hire straight away. That's because when the time to hire does arrive, you want your target talent pool to immediately think of your firm as a company as an active participant doing exciting work in the tech sector. Stay tuned. Next week, as we continue with our series, we will talk about designing a smart and modern tech recruitment strategy.